Hey there guys, Mesabuse here, and today we are checking out the SimPlus 6-liter air fryer. Our 6-liter SimPlus air fryer, and we also have the baking tray. So this one I believe sits inside our air fryer. I think some of you would be familiar with this one. And we also have 10 pieces of air fryer paper, which we can use inside the basket of our air fryer. So that's all we have from our box. So let's start from the bottom. So this is the bottom of our SimPlus air fryer. So we have rubber stoppers on 4 corners of our air fryer. Now on the back of the air fryer, you will notice that our cord or plug is not detachable from the air fryer itself. And I think this is European or something like that in terms of the plug here. So this is not for US or Asia. So that's a 2-prong rounded plug. You just need a adapter for it if you're in the Philippines, right? And if you look up here, this is a heat dissipation window. So if you're using the air fryer, it generates heat, of course. So this is where some steam or heat comes out. So that is what this window is for. So in terms of the air fryer basket, this is the anti-scalding handle. So let me try and pull on the basket here. And here we go. So that is our 6-liter air fryer basket. So this right here is the viewing window. So this is an upgraded version of this air fryer in which you can view your food while it's being cooked. So if I put on something colorful in there, so you should be able to see it inside here. Yes, that is our viewing window for our food. And it's really sturdy, really good quality here all around the basket. So in terms of the size, our basket here diagonally measures 29 cm. And the height would be 12.5 cm. So those are our measurements for the basket. That is where our 10 preset control is available on the touchscreen panel. You can see clearly all those preset on top of our air fryer because this is quite reflective So there are icons in there like a pizza, fries, etc., which you can use in terms of how you would be cooking your food. So the basic principle of the air fryer is just time versus the degrees Celsius, or the heat, the amount of heat you will be using. So those are the two simple principles of using the air fryer. So there's a time and there's the heating element. Let's turn this on for the first time so we can see if the panel up there even lights up for us, or what else can we view on the top there. Okay, so I got an adapter here, so we're gonna plug this in for the first time. Let's see what comes up on our panel here on top. And there we go. So there's an off indicator. So there's an entire screen here. This is an entire screen. There you go. I turned off my lights, and yeah, we can see this better. So there's a light bulb icon here, and there's a power button. Maybe this one is on and off button. And there's an indicator here. Should I call this the middle part of the touch panel slash screen? It's telling us that it is on the off state or mode. I'm gonna touch the button right here, see what happens. And there you go. Additional icons appeared, and I think it is also trying to show me the degrees Celsius in here and the time in minutes. And the icons that appeared here are almost the same as the ones on top. Oh no, that's on. So now the air fryer is turned on, so we have to stop it. So I think we have turned our air fryer on for the first time accidentally. This button here indicating a temperature gauge. So you can press that to toggle between the degrees Celsius and the minutes, or how long you will be cooking. So that's minutes, that's the degrees Celsius. And you have to use the minus and plus signs here, the icons, to adjust them. So let me show you. So we have how many? 180 degrees there. So let me adjust that. See, so minus there. If you want to adjust the time, just find it here on the display, minutes. There. So the M icon here is the one you use to choose between the presets on top. So the 10 of them. These are the indicators for our 10 presets. This one is just a display here. So this is the real touch panel menu. If you wanted to choose any of these presets, all you have to do is toggle the M icon here. Pizza, pastry, potatoes, chicken wings, chicken legs, I think, meat or steak, shrimp, fish. When you choose any of the items, we go back to fries there. The menu chooses how much heat in degrees Celsius and how long you should cook that particular item for. If it's fries, it says 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. This next item, I don't know what it is. So 160 degrees for 15 minutes. The pizza, 160 degrees for 15 minutes. And so on. So that is the function of this M button here for all our 10 presets. But if you want to do it your way and you don't want to use the presets, you can always use this button to toggle between the degrees Celsius and the minutes, and then use the plus and minus buttons. Icons. There's no buttons. Come on. Plus and minus icons to toggle between your settings, your own settings, not the preset. That's how you set how long and how much power you need to cook your food. So there you go. Clearly, so you can see your food while it cooks and check it from time to time. Also, as a feature, Every time you pull out the basket, the air fryer automatically stops. It resumes cooking when you put the basket properly back on the air fryer again. So right now, if you can hear that sound, that is our air fryer preheating on 200 degrees Celsius at the moment. So remember the light icon on top? So that's what you use to turn on the light inside our air fryer basket. So there you go. That's how you view your food while it is cooking, technically. Even though we're not cooking anything right now. We're just trying it out. And if you do want to turn it off, you can also turn off the light by touching the icon again. There. And apparently, it turns off after some time. I think that is a setting. It just lets you view your food for some seconds. And after that, it turns the light off automatically. And if you are hearing that, there, it is functioning at the moment, right? What I told you earlier, if you pull the basket out, it will automatically stop. So let's try that.
Oh no!
That is hot inside the basket. So if I put the basket back, it will automatically continue cooking. And there you go. I also just now tested the ventilation on the back of our air fryer. I accidentally touched it right now. It is really hot. So it works. It is also non-stick in terms of the basket where we cook. So that's easily washed on a dishwasher. So this one, let me just show you. You put this inside here. Put this inside the basket here. If you are cooking certain kinds of food, if you're preheating some food, if you're frying some food, you can also use the tray here. If you wanted to separate the food from the tray or from the basket, you can always use this. You don't have to turn over whatever you're cooking on this air fryer because there's a 360 degrees hot air circulation inside, so it evens out while it is cooking. So no need to flip it over and flip it again, whatever you're cooking inside. So every time it should come out the same temperature for each and every food you are cooking. So the amount of power that our air fryer uses is up to 1200 watts of high power. So that's fast heating and it saves time when you cook. And in terms of the range of time that we can cook on the air fryer, it's between 1 to 60 minutes. So 1 to 60 minutes. And in terms of temperature, it is between 80 to 200 degrees Celsius. So there you go, guys. That is our quick unboxing and review plus initial reactions on the SimPlus 6 liters air fryer. If you have inquiries and comments, please put them all down below. I would also put a purchase link in our video description if ever you want to check it out for yourself. There you go, guys. Please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abners Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all, get notified when we upload another one of our tech reviews here, as well as our usual video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here.
You win! Perfect! Hadouken!
That's been it. This is Abners Reviews, and we will catch you guys on the next one.